Welcome to Low-Carb Love. Delicious low-carb recipes for weight loss. If you're looking to lose weight, a low-carb diet may be the way to go. In this video, we'll share some of our favorite low-carb recipes that are sure to satisfy your taste buds and keep you on track with your weight loss goals. So, let's dive in. Carbohydrates are a major source of energy for our bodies, but eating too many carbs can contribute to weight gain. By reducing your carb intake, you can encourage your body to burn fat for fuel, which can help you lose weight. However, it's important to remember that not all carbs are created equal. In this video, we'll be focusing on low-carb recipes that are still packed with nutrients and flavor. Low-carb breakfast bowl. Start your day off right with this filling and delicious low-carb breakfast bowl. In a large bowl, mix together 1/2 cup of cooked quinoa, scrambled eggs, sautéed spinach, and sliced avocado. You can also add a sprinkle of cheese for extra flavor. This breakfast bowl is low in carbs and high in protein and healthy fats, making it a great way to start your day. Zucchini noodle carbonara. This low-carb twist on a classic pasta dish is sure to become a favorite. Use a spiralizer to turn zucchini into noodles, and sauté them in a pan with garlic and olive oil until tender. In a separate pan, cook bacon until crispy, then add in whisked eggs and grated Parmesan cheese. Mix the zucchini noodles with the carbonara sauce, and enjoy a delicious and satisfying low-carb dinner. Cauliflower fried rice. If you're craving Chinese takeout, try this low-carb alternative instead. Pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice. Then sauté in a pan with diced vegetables, such as carrots, onions, and peas, and scrambled eggs. Add in soy sauce, sesame oil, and your favorite seasonings to taste. This dish is low in carbs and high in fiber and nutrients, making it a great option for a healthy and satisfying meal. Turkey and cheese lettuce wraps. Layer deli turkey and sliced cheese on large lettuce leaves, then add in sliced veggies, such as cucumber and bell pepper. Roll up like a wrap, and enjoy. This meal is low in carbs and high in protein, making it a great option for anyone looking to eat healthy on the go. Peanut butter protein balls. These low-carb snacks are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without derailing your weight loss goals. In a bowl, mix together peanut butter, almond flour, unsweetened shredded coconut, and a drizzle of honey. Roll the mixture into small balls, and chill in the fridge until firm. These low-carb recipes are just a few examples of the many delicious and nutritious meals you can enjoy while on a low-carb diet. We hope these recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and enjoy healthy, satisfying meals. If you have any question, then leave it comment section. Thanks for watching Low-Carb Love, delicious low-carb recipes for weight loss. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy eating tips and recipes.